Hi, I'm Bailey Zito. I'm a director in our Communication and Collaboration IT group. So today I'm here to talk about our recent deployment of Cisco-WebEx Connect IM, which we just finished deploying internally at Cisco and rolled out across the entire company. This deployment to 90,000 accounts is for all of Cisco, the entire enterprise. All of our employees, partners, contractors, as well as all of our geographic locations worldwide. So it truly was a global, complete enterprise rollout. By way of example, I was also responsible for Exchange rollout here at Cisco, and that took well over a year to roll out across the entire company. And so to roll out to the entire company, all 90,000 accounts in 45 days, pretty much unheard of at this point. So in a traditional deployment, enterprise deployment, typically you have to worry about really two main aspects. On one hand, you have to worry about the infrastructure needed to roll out a service. Well, with this deployment, I didn't have to worry about any of that, right? So that was all WebEx taking care of it. So instead, 100% of my focus was on change management. How are our users going to be notified of this change, and are they ready for the change? When we were preparing for our change management, our team put together all kinds of plans around communication, user training, and support. In any kind of deployment at Cisco, we traditionally plan for about a 10% case creation rate. So what that means is if we roll it out to, say, 100,000 people, we expect about 10,000 cases to be created. And we actually found something very unique with this deployment. When we actually rolled it out, we found that we were getting less than a 2% case creation rate, which is phenomenal. We really positioned it as this is a switch to IM and more, because the WebEx Connect platform enables us to do a lot of advanced productivity functionality like media escalation. With our old solution, you would have a conversation in IM, decide that the topic was too complex over IM. So you would have to stop what you're doing, pick up the phone and call that person. Well, that all kind of goes away with WebEx Connect IM, because WebEx Connect IM allows you to seamlessly switch from one type of media into another. So the ability to move from IM to a voice and video call to a full-blown WebEx meeting conference is really one of the key features we're communicating with this switch to WebEx Connect IM. We've just received tremendous feedback from all areas of the company. And the feedback really fall into two camps. First, that this deployment was probably the smoothest in memory, that it was a non-event. And then the second really positive piece of feedback is that now that people are using it, they do see it as a productivity enhancement, the ability to use the client and do so much more than they're able to with the previous client. It's very technically challenging to try to get connectivity to your enterprise network from mobile devices. But luckily, now that we are on WebEx Connect service, on the WebEx Connect cloud-based service, it was simple to roll out the clients to our mobile devices at the same time, and it actually has been a very popular feature for us. Overall, this deployment of Connect has really advanced our capabilities in the areas of IM and more. And soon we'll actually even get integrations to Cisco's UC application suite. But beyond that, it's also a foundational component to our vision for collaboration. And we're really excited where Connect is going to lead us in the future.